do that.
Rubbish.
Yeah, at least something happens though. See, maybe it's because I'm left-handed.
Might be.
No. It's so hard. Can't just do that. Hey, look, I won. Can everyone else do it?
Yeah.
I can't do it. It's just annoying.
Demo?
I feel a bit
I can't do
stupid
it.
now. See, it's harder than it looks.
How come I did it perfectly?
It's pressure of film. Camera. Look, it's even made you sweat.
I got an achy arm the other day from doing this. I got home and I was like,
Really?
arm.
From doing that, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
How big is it?